nettle liquid feed is my first kind of port of call when it comes to supporting your garden naturally. So this is an amazing feed for the spring and summer. So we're coming into the time of year that this really will be needed. So if you're making it now, if you've still got plenty of time, the nettles are out, they're growing strong. So it's a really good time to be starting this. And I have got a video on the step-by-step on how to make it. Very simple, but I have got a video on it as well. It's a really amazing feed for spring and summer. So it's perfect for now when your garden needs the nitrogen for rapid growth and development. So it really does. Your garden's going to start growing really quickly now, and or it has started already in some places, really quickly, and it's going to be using an awful lot of nitrogen. So the nettle liquid feed is very good for providing really good quality high nitrogen feed. So it just requires you to pick the nettles, put them in a bucket, container, barrel, bin, box, whatever you've got that holds water, whatever you've got to hand, cover in water and leave to soak for a few weeks or a few months. So the longer you leave them to soak, the more nitrogen gets leached out of the nettles, and the stronger the feed, which is really good. So it's a concentrated feed, so you do dilute it down to make it go further, but it really does work really well. And it's amazing for tomatoes as well. I use it on my tomatoes mainly, but for most of my vegetable patch, I use it as well. But it's really good for nitrogen-hungry plants. So as I say, in the spring, summer, when they are growing, when all the garden's growing rapidly, all the new green shoots, use nitrogen like it's no tomorrow. They really do need it this time of year. If you've got comfrey patches in your garden, I've got a little comfrey patch. I wish my comfrey would expand a bit. It's only a little patch. I'd like it to grow a bit more. It'll get there, I'm sure. This process can also be used for comfrey as well. So you cut the leaves, do the same sort of thing. So you can use it for comfrey. And that, again, is really high nitrogen, so it's perfect. And it's got a good amount of potassium in it as well. So it's really nice, one of the top three, the big three. So I've got comfrey growing in your garden. You can do the same process with comfrey. So